Hello friends, in this video we will talk about name numbers. In this video I will tell you how you can decode information about an individual using the number connected to their name. This concept of name number is a part of Chaldean numerology. So in this video I will briefly introduce you to Chaldean numerology and I will share with you the name number table. I will also discuss one example of name number, and I will also tell you the various qualities or attributes connected to each number as per Chaldean numerology. So let's start. So our first point is, what is Chaldean numerology? See, Chaldean were a group of people who who lived in Babylonia or present day Iraq. And when Alexander conquered Babylonia, this knowledge of numerology of Chaldean people got transferred to Greece. In this system, we use numbers 1 to 8. The number 9 in the system of Chaldean numerology is considered as sacred and is kept separate. And in Chaldean numerology, there are two other numbers like 11, 22, and 33 also, which are also considered as master numbers or sacred numbers. So, how to calculate name number? So, to calculate the name number, the first thing you require is this table. So, you can pause this video and note down this table. It is a very important table. It is used to calculate the name number. So in order to calculate the name number, first you have to write the alphabets of the name of the person, of your pet, even of your or even of a place or a company for whom you want to calculate the name number. Then note down the digits connected to that alphabet. Then add the digits of all the alphabets of the name of the person, and then you will arrive at the name number. So the digit connected with alphabet A is 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5, U, 6, O, 7, and F, 8. It is a unique concept in Chaldean numerology that each alphabet is assigned a digit. So, in example, we have we have calculated the name number of Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. So the digit for N is 5, E 5, L 3, S 3, O 7, N 5. So you add all the digits, you get 28. Now 28 is a two digit number. So you further add those two digits. 2 plus 8 you get 10. Then again add those two digits. 1 plus 0 you get 1. Similarly, you calculate the name number for his middle name and then for his surname Mandela. Then you get the digits for the three parts of this name, the first part, the middle part, and the surname. Now you add those three digits, you get 1 plus 4 plus 5. So the name number is 1. Now you can also calculate the name number for a company. So let's take Google. So Google G3 007 plus 7, then again G, then L and E. So 3 times you have 3, which is 9, then you have 14, which is 26. Then 26, you add 5, you get 31. So the name number for Google is 4. So you can pause this video, go back to this table and calculate your name number and write it in the comment section. So having calculated your name number, we will now see what that name number tells about you. In this system of Chaldean numerology, it is believed that each number carries its own vibration. So we will see that what qualities each name number represents. So the first number is 1. It represents having a strong winner mentality in order to gain success. People who are represented by number 1 are very creative, they are perfectionist, they do not like to do things themselves, rather like to outsource and others. See, sun, the planet sun is connected to number 1, and sun is a royal planet. It is the king among all the 9 planets in astrology. So these people also have this feeling of royalness. They want to rule, they want to dominate. These are some of the features of name number 1. Then we have name number 2. Now people who have name number 2, they are very emotional people. The number 2 is connected with moon. So these people are very emotional, they are also very artistic, they are creative, but they sometimes tend to be melancholic. But the main strength of the people having name number 2 is that they have a strong sense of empathy. They care for others, they want to do good for others, they easily developed a good understanding with others, and they are also very good at developing relationship with other people. Now we have our next number 3. So the people who have name number 3, they are very talented people. They are very focused. They are always focused on development and expanding their resources, and they also love to study. They want to read everything. They want to be the master of all trades, and sometimes they want to appear as a one man army. These people, they generally have this tendency of learning everything, of learning various trades, learning various types of knowledges. They have like a thirst for knowledge. The next number is 4. See, the 4 is connected with the planet Rahu, or the north node of the moon. That's why these people, these are out of box thinkers. They give very unique solutions, they have very unique ideas, and these people are very innovative also. They give very innovative ideas. They are uh, natural born engineers, scientists, and they are very technical minded people. They are very tech savvy, but they also have a rebellious nature. Now our next number is number 5. See, the people who have their name number as 5, the number 5 is connected with the planet Mercury. That's why these people are very good at speaking. They weigh their words before speaking, means that they are very diplomatic also. They know the art of speech. They have very great social skills, they have etiquettes, they have manners, and they are also very adaptable, and these people very easily adjust with others. and they are also referred to as social butterflies, which means that they always want to go out and explore new things with their friends and family. But these people, they are also very good at business. And Mercury is the planet of business, it is the planet of communication. So naturally these peoples are very good at communication and business. Our next number is number 6. See, in numerology, the number 6 is connected with planet Venus. So these people, they generally love luxuries. They are gentlemen people. Okay, and these people, they want to look handsome, they want to look charming, while they always are very much cautious of their looks. And there is also a unique thing that the number 6 is 3 plus 3. So in number 6 you can also find some qualities of number 3, but in a very modified form. Like, these people, they are very skilled at manipulation. They know the statecraft of diplomacy. They are very diplomatic people. They can deal diplomatically with people and get their work done. They are skilled in the art of manipulation. They know how to manipulate other people. They know what to speak in front of others and how to charm others in for their own personal gains. Next we have number 7. See, 7 is a mystical number. The number 7 stands for insight, seeking deeper meaning in everything. In Vedic numerology, number 7 is connected with planet Ketu, which is the south node of the moon, and it is a very mystical planet. So these people, they have something very mystical connected with them. They have profound thoughts within their mind. They want to go deep in their field. If they are artists, they want to go deep inside arts and develop their talents. They want to reach the absolute zenith of arts. And uh, and one good quality of number 7 is that they have a strong sense of gut feeling, which means that they have a very developed sixth sense. They easily understand others intentions, which means that they are also good at reading faces, or the reading the mind of other people. Now the next number is number 8. See, in the Western occult traditions, numbers 0 and 8 are generally connected with eternity. Because of the symbol of 0, you see it is a circle. So, circle has no beginning, no end. It is an infinite thing. Similarly, number 8 has no beginning, no end. It is because of its shape. So, the number 8 is ruled by planet Saturn. So Saturn makes them slow at work, but these people are deep thinkers. They have the depth of thought. They are also very confident. They have self confidence. They believe in themselves. Their confidence level is very high because of the depth of knowledge they have. They know what to appreciate. They know what to be fearful of. So the one of the negative traits which sometimes appears in number 8 is that they can be very lethargic. These people can be very slow, but these people generally have this inner feeling to grow in life. They want to grow in life. They are opportunistic. They want to achieve success in life. Although the life of people having name number as 8 can be very tough, it can be full of challenges, but they have this depth of thought, they have this sincerity, and they have the ability to struggle for a long time in order to achieve success. Like if you calculate the name number for CEOs of various companies, you can find that most of these people, they have their name number as 8. Now we move on to our next number. It is number 9. See, in Chaldean numerology, number 9 is considered as the shadow of 0. So, 0 and 9 are considered as sacred in Chaldean numerology. The number 9 is connected with planet Mars. Mars is the planet of fighting, it is the planet of achieving your goals, it is the planet of hard struggle. And also it is the planet of friendship. So therefore the number 9 is also considered as the number of for justice. So justice, the quality of justice or the sense of justice is represented by number 9, and it is considered as sacred. So this brings us to the end of our presentation. So do like this video, share this video, and do mention in the comment section your name number and also the matching attributes that you have found in this video. Thank you.